Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today I'm going to be making some bottle openers with a fiber laser, so don't go anywhere. So I've been wanting to make a video with this laser. I just haven't had any time, but today is the day. So we're gonna be making some bottle openers with my logo on, so I can give to my customers, you know, as a thank you. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so this is pretty simple. I mean, it's just I created my logo in a DXT file, send it over to the laser, and let's engrave it and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's it for the front. Made a couple of them, so now I'm gonna do the back with a little bit of information that I want to put in there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some stainless steel, and on the stainless steel, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna change the speed, because this one is faster because it's just removing the paint, but on this one it's actually gonna be engraving it. Okay, and this is the stainless steel. It's pretty cool. I mean, very nice. This is what it looks like in the back or the front. Stainless steel. And then the black ones. Not bad. There you go, and that's the stainless steel. Here's the black ones. I just need to clean them. I'm gonna clean this one real quick right there, just so you guys can see once it's clean. There you go. Again, the black one. Oops. I didn't clean the back of this one. Right there. One thing I didn't notice on, especially on the black ones, this ones right here, they look really good. This one looks really, really good. But the black ones, I can still see the lines where the laser didn't completely clean the back. Like for example, like if you look at it, you can still see the lines, but that's just, you know, going in the software and fixing that. That's not a big problem. But other than that, everything is freaking cool. Very, very nice. This one's right here, they're amazing. the stainless steel. Yeah, these ones are really nice. So that's it. This was fun. This was a lot of fun. So guys, this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so and ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. I'm running out of breath here. Thank you guys. It's a pleasure you guys watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I am new to the fiber laser, so I guess a lot of you are gonna notice that. And if you have any tips, let me know in the comments below, because so far I've only worked with stainless steel, and on stainless steel it looks really good. I mean, after I clean it, they look amazing. Look really good. But on the black ones I can see some lines. But let's open it and make sure it works. There you go. Bottle openers. Not bad. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one. God bless you, and I will see you later. Bye bye now. Adios.